Hello everyone, and welcome to part 9 of my A350 Airbus build. Hello! In this video, I will be laying up the tail section of the Airbus. In a previous video, I laid one up, but I forgot to print the molds with the stab guides in them. So the part I laid up did not have the guides, and it just makes alignment way too difficult. So I reprinted the molds with the guides. The part that I'm laying up now is made with 6-ounce carbon fiber and 4-ounce fiberglass. Without further ado, let's get started. And here is the part out of the mold. If you like this video and want to see more like them, hit that like and subscribe button and catch you in the next one.